you go. Oh man, that's crazy. Oh, that's just stupid. Oh, he's gonna raise it up like that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
Yo. Y'all see the exit?
Yeah. You don't want to watch that go?
Yes, sir. Oh, he about to start? Chestnuts. It is. That is impressive.
They changed your nose.
Nope. Play the song.
They messed up
Hey, play the song. We don't want to hear that. Come on, man.
I want the original.
Yeah, man.
Fireballs in it.
It's because he was racing an R8, bro.
Car's like, I'm gonna give you a little
I
something.
mean, this was the fastest you probably done went in a long time.
Well, no, I've only
without the tune.
Well, I've had it to 140, but I haven't been able to really push it. I always get to like 19.
But you cracked the boost at 20 tonight, though.
Oh yeah.
That was fun, bro.
It was.
That was fun. That just made my night.
Yeah, exactly.
That made my night. I'm happy. I'm gonna go in the house smiling. Hey, we raced the R8 tonight, bro.
Yeah.
We lost, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's
It's an R8.
But I got him a $140,000 car. I got him to go.
Bro, you did. You did.
It was those fireballs.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that